He was part of the team which invented the pregnancy test. He's working on a new treatment for bowel cancer. And now Professor Paul Davies has designed a new bandage based in part on the chemistry of honey.
Yes, Professor Davies claims it heals wounds more quickly than standard dressings. In the last of our series on pioneers, Graham Satchell has been to meet him.
We have transformed the ingredients into something that delivers a new healing principle.
Paul Davies is talking about honey. He has taken part of its chemical structure to transform the lives of countless patients. Patients like Leonard Halstead, who had a growth removed from his leg. The resulting wound stubbornly refused to heal. After several months, Paul's new treatment was tried. Now, a warning. We're going to show you some pictures of Leonard's leg. It's not as bad as it sounds. As you can see, over the period of just a few weeks, the wound started to clear up.
It's the most photographed part of my body. It was quite miraculous, really. The speed with which it worked, that the inflammation was contracting, the pain was diminishing within days. And within a week or two, it had gone completely.
It has to interact with the air.
So how does it work? Using honey as part of his inspiration, Paul has developed a way of putting both iodine and oxygen into a wound, using 2 layers of gel that slowly interact.
And at that point, we have a double whammy, because the iodine will kill bacteria and the oxygen will empower the white blood cells to kill bacteria naturally using our own bodily defences. When we heard about the first patient for whom it was improving, then there were just like whoops of joy, just like the Formula 1 pit lane when somebody comes in first.
The NHS spends a remarkable 4% of its budget, £2 billion, treating people with wounds that won't heal.
Most of the patients that I see have had them for quite long durations.
Like how long?
Sometimes they can be 6 months, 12 months, 10 years, 20 years. It all depends on how long they've been living with that.
20 years?
20 years.
In Staffordshire, where the treatment is being trialled, Julie Stanton has found it successful in 70% of patients.
It's fantastic. The patients in particular, they've got to a point where they don't think it's ever going to heal. And then you do use something, you introduce something that has quite a positive effect within quite a short period of time as well. So it has quite a positive effect with the patient.
The new treatment is twice as expensive as standard dressings, but Paul says it speeds up recovery and in the end will save money. Graham Satchell, BBC News.